Welcome to Nail Me This, where we ask our guests some random questions and turn their answers into a custom nail look.
Okay, Kendall. First question. Black or white?
Black.
Shiny or matte?
Ooh. Shiny.
Bats or fairies?
Bats. Come on.
Morning person or night owl?
Night owl.
Text or call?
Text. Don't ever call me.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Graffiti art or gallery art?
Don't do this to me. Gallery art.
Well, thank you for your cooperation. Please proceed to the nail jail.
Do I get a lawyer?
No.
Can I have some water?
No. You've been served. You may now take off your blindfold.
Where is it? There. Oh my god, my eyes. Ooh. Oh wow! Oh, crime? That's so sick. Oh my god, a little crown. No. Oh, they're so sick. Oh my god.